Hi guys! Kung isa kang aspiring virtual assistant at hirap talaga makahanap ng first client, huwag ka mag-alala, may tips ako para sa iyo. Step 1. Know your skills. Make a list of your skills and expertise. Maybe you're great at social media management, content creation, or customer service. By knowing your strengths, you'll be able to market yourself better and attract clients that need your expertise. Step 2. Build your network. Kaya mo yan! Make sure to join online communities and groups where entrepreneurs and small business owners hang out. You can also connect with other virtual assistants in your field to exchange tips and advice. The more you expand your network, the more chances of getting clients. Step 3. Create a portfolio. Gawa ka ng portfolio ng mga sample works mo, like social media posts, articles, or anything that showcases your skills. You can use online tools like Canva, Wix, or even Google Drive to create a professional-looking portfolio. Don't forget to update it regularly with new works and achievements. Step 4. Pitch yourself. Dito ng tagumpay. Once you build your network and created your portfolio, it's time to pitch yourself to potential clients. You can start by sending cold emails or DMs to businesses that you think could use your services. Be confident and don't be afraid to sell yourself. Just remember, stay positive and keep hustling. Good luck and go get them!